Hi, today's topic is fundamental principles of OBE. Let's see about what is the fundamental principles of OBE. Before that, we will discuss about what is OBE. Outcome-based education is a student-centered approach where everything in the educational system is designed around clear learning outcomes. Instead of focusing on what teachers teach, it focuses on what students are able to do by the end. So this representation is shift from content driven teaching to competency driven learning, and also what does the learner need to demonstrate at the end. And according to William Spady, he is the father of OBE, there are four key principles that guide this approach. They are clarity of focus, design down, high expectation, and expanded opportunity. We begin with the clarity of focus and design down, meaning we start with final outcomes and plan backward. At the same time, we set high expectations for all learners and provide expanded opportunities, recognizing that students learn in different ways and at different paces. In OBE, we follow a design down hierarchy to clearly define outcomes at every level. Program educational objectives, it describes what graduates achieve 3 to 5 years after graduation, while program outcome focuses on the skills and knowledge they have at the time of graduation. At the course level, course outcomes specify the exact competencies students gain in each subject. And about constructive alignment, it means aligning learning outcomes, teaching activities, and assessments so they all work toward the same goal. If an assessment does not directly measure a stated outcome, then it simply does not belong. And in OBE, we use Bloom taxonomy to write clear measurable outcomes using action verbs. We guide students from lower order thinking skills like remembering and understanding using verbs such as define or explain to higher order thinking like analyze, evaluate and create. This ensures learning progresses from basic knowledge to critical creative thinking. Here in this tabular column, we gave it in the higher order levels. So first create and evaluate and then analyze, apply. These are all hard thinkings, that is higher order thinking. And for that, these are some of the action verbs we used to formulate questions and for asking questions in the classes and all, so that they can learn that skills too. So the students move from lower order thinking to higher order thinking. This pedagogical move will be measured in OBE. And next about Bloom taxonomy. This triangle represents the Bloom taxonomy, that too moving from lower to higher levels of thinking. See at the base here, knowledge is followed by comprehension and then application and then analysis and synthesis, and at the top evaluation. As we move upward, the complexity of thinking and learning deepens. In OBE, assessment is criterion referenced, meaning students are evaluated against clear standards rather than compared to one another. And continuous quality improvement follows PDCA cycle. PDCA means plan, do, check and act. So it's a cyclic process to ensure that we consistently review results and make improvements in teaching and learning. See, plan means it defines course outcome and program outcomes. Do that example for that is implementing teaching and assessments, and check analyzing the attainment data or attainment gaps that will be checked, and act here modify the curriculum or teaching style for the next batch was uh, denoted as act. And next, OBE benefits. See, everyone, students gain clarity and relevances in their learning. Teachers can teach with precision and improve using data, and institutions meet global accreditation standards like Washington Accord and NBA and NAC. More than accreditation, OBE ensures no student is left behind and every graduate is truly industry ready. So that's the benefits of OBE pedagogy. Thank you.